We're back. And your hair's crazy and I need to sneeze. I just sneeze and small but deadly sneezes. Oh, that was over it. Don't let it touch us. We can't let it touch us. I didn't even jump over it. You try. I have like no idea. I'm gonna go. Ooh, we're on a phone. Yeah. I just noticed I rewatched the video and then the sneeze part was so hilarious. You have to stop it sometimes. Hello. Too. You have to stop it sometimes too. That's crazy this time. That's crazy this time. Okay, first of all, give me that. Let's give me that. My hair's crazy and I need a snake. What? Wait, what? What?